Today, for second grade, we are going over the counting song. It's a new song, so let's pay attention closely. We are going to listen to the song today. We will count the word syllables. We will find the highs and lows in our counting song. And we will also let our G and E keyboard sounds play the song for us. First, let's listen to the song. 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Here are the words for the counting song. 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Let's listen to it again. 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Now for our counting song, let's count the word syllables. As I play, I want you to clap. You will be clapping the words. So 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. You are not clapping the steady beat or the 4 heartbeats. You are clapping the words. So if you don't want to sing along, that's perfectly fine. But make sure you are clapping the words. So it'll sound like this. 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Let's clap while I play and sing. Here we go. 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Wonderful job, wonderful job. Let's do something different. Now let's find our high and low sounds. Remember, when we're looking for our high sounds, these are going to be the words that go above the line. Our low sounds are going to go below the line. So if we listen to the 2 words, the first 2 words of 1, 2, we're going to figure out if they are high sounds or low sounds. So is 1 high or low? Let's find out. The word 1 is a high sound. Woohoo! Good job for you. So it is a high sound. Let's listen to 2. Is it a high or low sound? 2 sounds like this. 2. So is it a high or low sound? Low. Good for you. It is a low sound. So 1, 2 sounds like this. 1, 2, or high, low. Let's figure out tie my shoe. Is tie my, is that high or low? Is tie my high or low? You are correct. It is high. So tie my is a high sound. Good for you. Let's look at shoe. Is that a high or low sound? Is this shoe, is that a high or low sound? Low. Good for you. So 1, 2, tie my shoe. Let's listen to those high and low sounds. 1, 2, tie my shoe. So we have high, low, high, high, low. So what we're going to do today is something a little bit different. We did read a story in this lesson about Gary and Emily who like to go to high and low places in the park. So our G and E on our keyboard are going to be very similar. G likes to play a high sound on the keyboard and E likes to play a low sound on the keyboard. So let's see where G and E would go in our counting song. So our counting song says 1, 2, tie my shoe. So to find that high sound for 1, those high sounds are going to be G. So instead of putting 1, we're going to put a G. And for those low sounds, instead of putting 2 in our song, we're going to put in E. So instead of 1, 2, or high, low, we now have G, E. Let's figure out the last 2 beats. It sounds like this. The words are tie my shoe. So instead of it being high, high, low, we're going to try to find that G and E space where they go. So if our highs are G and our first one is tie my, we have 2 sounds there. Tie my. So we're looking for G, G. Can you point to it on your screen? Good. Now let's put that where it goes, in a high spot. Good job. All right, so the last sound that we have is a low sound. Is that going to be a G or an E? So for shoe, is that going to be a G, which is a high sound, or an E, which is a low sound? What comes next, G or E? E, you're correct. So now we have, for our counting song, it sounds like this. G, E, G, G, E. And I'm going to bring over my keyboard friend so he can show you what that would look like on your keyboard. Now to play this on your keyboard, you need to know where your G and E notes are. So this is what it would sound like. You would be using your pinky and your middle finger. Your pinky would go on G and your middle finger would go on E. So it sounds like this. And there you have it. That is your counting song played on your keyboard.